Paxton Products Control Panel offers manufacturers a simplified solution to manage Paxton blowers in a turnkey manner. It's designed for easy installation and scalability and simplifies blower management with features like a variable frequency drive, emergency stop, and washdown compliance. The control panel is equipped with centralized control, quality assurance, and enhanced safety while monitoring operational conditions to optimize your drying processes. With the Paxton Control Panel, there's no need for third-party motor starters or VFDs, as it provides a comprehensive turnkey solution for your blower system. For added protection, you can integrate a Vortex AC enclosure cooler from Vortec to keep the control panel cool and clean. This utilizes compressed air to maintain a stable temperature and prevent overheating and minimize downtime. With key controls including blower on, start, stop, reset, alarm, and emergency stop to ensure efficient operation, other key features of the control panel include a variable frequency drive to allow for precise blower control for optimal performance, emergency stop as an immediate shutdown option for enhanced safety, lockout capabilities to prevent unauthorized access, 304 stainless steel construction to withstand rigorous cleaning processes for washdown compliance, clear visual indicators for operational status, and PLC communication with I/O terminal blocks that facilitate easy communication. The Paxton Control Panel also comes with easy installation for quick setup and hassle-free integration, simplified scalability, centralized control, operational visualization, and is compatible with any Paxton Products blower. The Paxton Control Panel is the ideal solution for simplifying the control of your Paxton blower system while upholding safety standards and ensuring quality during operation. For more information, visit paxtonproducts.com.